Hello guys, my name is Ben and welcome back to today's video. So, like last week, I'm going to go through a roundup for the week for gold and silver prices, and then we're going to take a look at how gold and silver have performed over the last 30 days, just to see where we're at. So I'm going to start with gold in pound sterling, then move on to dollars. So gold in sterling started at 1409, ended at 1489, which was also the high for the week. And gold for the States started at 1889, ended at 1971, and that was also the highest price of the week. So we're ending the week on the highest prices, which indicates that it's quite clearly going to keep rising come the start of the week. Now, the 30-day increase for gold in the States and in the UK, so in the UK, it's gone up £152, which is 11%. And in the States, it's gone up 9%, and that equates to $163. Silver doesn't focus. That's fine. We're on the silver. They can go there. Silver in the UK started at 18.10 and ended at 1940, £18.10, not £1,810, because that would be bananas. Started at £18.10, ended at £19.47, which was also the weekly high. And in the States, it started at 24.27, ending at 25.76, which again was the weekly high. Over the course of the month, silver has increased in the UK by 17%, which is £2.82, and in the States it's gone up 14%, which is $3.23. So we can clearly see from both the gold and the silver, with them both ending the week on a high, that it's most likely, I'd be shocked if it didn't, increase come the start of the week, and it's probably going to keep increasing as the week goes on. And as we can see as well from the fact that it's gone up, both gold and silver have gone up and continue to go up over the last 30 days, it's quite a drastic increase. So for £152 for gold and 100 in the UK and $163, that's quite a significant increase over the last 30 days, and it's gonna keep going up. Now, we know the reasoning that it's going up, and that's sadly not going to end anytime soon with what's going on. But from a gold and silver standpoint, it's just going to keep pushing the price up, and who knows how high it's going to go. We're in a stage now where you've got a lot of people who have bought gold and silver because it is the safe investment. People return to it in times of crisis because it is just secure. I think that's evidenced by obviously what's happening with the ruble and the fact that it's worth about as much as 10 tic tacs per million rubles right now. So for those who have bought in Russia for gold and silver, for instance, they are more secure, just as an example. And those who are buying over in the States, Canada, UK, anywhere else, they bought it as that security against issues over here. But we're also getting this situation now where people are buying for FOMO reasons. And if you don't know what FOMO is, it's fear of missing out. So people who don't normally look at gold and silver are now looking at it and thinking, Christ, it's gone up significantly over the last few weeks. Maybe I should get in on that train as well. So people are buying it for that reason. Again, that's another reason it's going to keep pushing the price of these lovely precious metals up and up and up and up and up. So that being said, where's it going to go this week? Well, it's gone up by, let's have a look. UK's gone up by about £80 for gold ish, and silver's gone up by a couple of quid as well. Yeah, I think we're going to see much the same this week. I think we're going to see a rise similar, keeping in line. So you're going to have more expensive precious metals come the end of the week. Where does that leave you in terms of buying, though? That's the big question. For me, I've always said I don't particularly want to buy silver when I'm going to pay more than £30 an ounce, including the premiums. But I think I might have to change that standpoint, because once it goes up, it's going to stay up for quite some time. So the other option, of course, is just to put my cash to one side, wait for it to come down, and then buy. But I don't think I'm going to be doing that. I think I'm going to be spending a little bit of money come the tail end of next week, just because it's been a while since I've been able to buy any gold and silver, and I desperately want to buy some. Oh, knocking everything over. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'd be intrigued to know what price you guys feel like you would get priced out of gold and silver. Is there kind of a set figure in your mind that you think, do you know what, I'm not going to pay more than that? I don't care how high it's going to keep going. If it gets to a certain figure, that's my cut-off point, and I won't buy any, and I'll just put the money aside and wait for another day. So yeah, leave comments about that in the comment section. I'd be very intrigued. And come check out the Facebook page as well, which is Gold and Silver Global. I will put a link in the description. Last week when I made a video, we were up to a whopping 2 members, and I'm very pleased to report we have now increased that number by a whopping 50%, and we're now up to 3 members. So please come and check us out on there. I'd love to get that community on the Facebook growing, because that would be, I think that'd be really nice. It's just an easier way for everyone to connect across the world and give their thoughts on precious metals and the markets surrounding it. So I will put that link in the description, and like I say, in the comments, let me know what price you would feel priced out of both gold and silver, and how high do you think gold and silver is going to go before it does inevitably come back down, because it will come back down at some point, but that is perhaps a topic for another day. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. At some stage in the near future, I shall be trying to make these videos on the computer instead, so I can show you images of how the price of gold and silver have increased over the week. But frankly, at this point in time, it's a bit easier for me just to do it on my phone, because I don't have a decent computer. But that is in the offing for the near future. It just might make things just look a little bit more professional and a little bit better. So I hope you guys are all well and safe and happy, and I shall catch up with you in a video probably about this time next week. Take care guys, bye bye.